there a point to this not emergency meeting, or can I get back to my regularly scheduled not being around all of you?
You better not mess with my gang, or you'll be messing with Oopie Goopy, General Munchkin Man, Lil Jim Bob, and worst of all, Larry.
Darling, won't you take me home?
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh, the Claymore kick from out of nowhere! Cena delivering it! The just registered on the Richard scale!
Box Party after Cinco de Mayo.